Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem. Friends, this is exemplar problems in probability for 10th class students. See, a family has 3 children. Find the probabilities of the following events. See friends, if a family has 3 children, these 3 children can be born in 8 ways. These 3 children can be born in 8 ways. That is, those 8 ways are: all the 3 children may be boys, all the 3 children may be girls, or boy, boy, girl, or boy, girl, boy, or girl, boy, boy, then girl, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, girl. So, if a family has 3 children, those 3 children can be born in any of these following 8 ways. This is the total number of ways, total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. So, NS is equal to 8. NS is equal to 8. Now, let us see the possible events and their probabilities. See, first question, friends. What is the probability that all are boys? All are boys. Friends, in our 8 outcomes, one outcome is a favorable outcome, that is having all the 3 boys. So, probability of all boys is equal to favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Favorable outcomes, all the 3 children are boys. Favorable outcomes 1, total number of outcomes 8. This is the required probability, friends. Second question, all boys or all girls? All the 3 children are boys or girls? See, second question, all the 3 children are all boys or all girls. See, all boys, we have one outcome, and all the girls, we have one outcome. So, all the boys, one outcome, favorable outcome, all girls, one favorable outcome by 8. 2 by 8, that is equal to 1 by 4 is the required probability for the event all boys or all girls. So, all boys probability 1 by 8, all girls probability 1 by 8, all boys or girls means 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8, that is 2 by 8, that is equal to 1 by 4, that is the required probability. Okay friends, let us see the next question. Third question, exactly 2 boys or 2 girls? Probability, third question friends, probability of exactly 2 boys or 2 girls. Friends, this is all boys. This outcome is all girls. If you look at the remaining 6 outcomes, there will be exactly 2 boys. In the remaining 3 outcomes, there will be exactly 2 girls. See, in this outcome, there are exactly 2 boys, boy, boy. So, in these 3 outcomes, there are exactly 2 boys. In these 3 outcomes, there are exactly 2 girls. See, girl. So there are exactly 2 girls. So now the favorable outcomes. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 3, 6 outcomes. Of course, total number of outcomes 8. 6 by 8, 2 3s, 2 4s. So 3 by 4 is the required probability. So friends, exactly 2 boys, 3 by 8. Exactly 3 girls, exactly 2 girls, exactly 2 boys, 3 by 8. Exactly 2 girls, also 3 by 8. So exactly we want the probability of exactly 2 boys or 2 girls. So 3 by 8 plus 3 by 8, 6 by 8, 6 by 8, that is 3 by 4 is your answer. 3 by 4 is your answer. Okay friends, let us see the next question. At least one child of each gender. At least one child of each gender. Fourth question friends, this is probability of at least one child. At least one child of each gender. That is, you must have at least one boy and one girl. Okay, okay friends. So if you look at these 8 outcomes, here there is no girl, here there is no girl, here there is no boy, here there is no boy. In the remaining 6 outcomes, you can observe there will be at least one boy and one girl. At least one boy and one girl. See, this observation, one by one girl is there, one by one girl, one by one girl, one by one girl, one by one girl, one by one girl. So accepting these two outcomes, in the remaining six outcomes, at least one boy and one girl are there. So your favorable outcomes is 6, total number of outcomes 8, 2 3s, 2 4s. So 3 by 4 is the required probability. Okay friends, thank you, have a nice day.